I know y'all have seen tees like this before. But what if I told you this is the guy who started the trend? This is the story of how Billionaire Studios went from nothing to a 7-figure streetwear brand, redefining the game with the 2-panel tee and the iconic big face design. Many of y'all seen copycats of this design and want to know how much the brand actually makes, and how his one idea turned into a lifestyle that funds his dream life. I'm Vic, and this is Inside the Brand with Billionaire Studios. Before we get into the depths of the brand and everything, tell them where you started at.
I was first doing everything in my father's crib in his basement. Heat pressing, cricket machine, even sewing. I was sewing my own patches at first, like on the sleeve and everything.
So you used to use vinyl?
Yeah, hell yeah,
Okay,
hell
so,
yeah.
hey, I know a lot of y'all could relate. Started off the vinyl wave, heat press. A lot of y'all in your mom and dad's crib. Did they believe in it at first?
Yeah, hell yeah, yeah, for sure. Cause I always had traction, like even in my own city, like it was always going. Like,
was you just like known for having shit on, or you had like a following, or like what was it?
I'm a brag on that one.
Yeah.
I was known for having shit on,
Yeah,
like even in high school, like I won the super latest best dress my senior year. Yo.
Okay.
Yeah,
You always had it on. What was you wearing? Balenciaga in high school?
No. I don't know how I won best dress. We had uniform.
Bro, was the shoes uniform?
I didn't even have good shoes. Like I had one pair of Jordan 4s.
What we got going on today?
So we traded t-shirts for GTR.
Take us through the whip.
Okay, so shit, you got the 3-piece room, you know what I'm saying, with the Brembos, everything going. She a little older.
Go ahead, start it up. I ain't never been in a GTR. First time for everything.
Hop in that bitch.
Hop in. Okay. Ooh,
Yeah.
that's that shit. The opportunity, how did it come up? Did he hit you up, or did you?
So he's a really close friend of mine, but he has a store that's called Motion ATL. He really was just like, shit, if you really want it, I'll trade you this many tees for it. That's just how it went.
Where'd you go first piece manufactured?
Oh, China.
So you been fucking with China the whole way through?
Yeah, everybody was telling me to do Alibaba. I was like, I'll do it one time. First supplier that hit me up, that's the one I stuck with ever since.
For real?
I swear to God.
One and done.
Yes.
For real. You wasn't fucking with Packy at all?
No.
Damn, she wasn't fucking with my cousins, man. I fucking with my cousins, man. China, they got the kids, but them kids getting it right. The 2 penalties we talked about, right? How did that make you feel the first time you saw a brand copy?
It sounds cliche to say, but it's like, you know you're doing something right. As long as you're getting your money, just keep doing it.
What's some of the brands that inspired you or like made you want to make clothes and continue doing clothes?
The top brand I really gained like inspiration from was Leewood Studios. And then like, I'll go Balenciaga.
For someone that's starting out and trying to build a brand, what aesthetic should they go for? Like, should they just like copy someone else, or should they just go with what they want to do?
That's a good question. Just do your own shit. I think you gotta do your own shit. Like, whatever makes you feel comfortable.
So if you never did making clothes, what would you have done before this?
I'm gonna be honest, before I was making clothes, I was door dashing.
Okay, what you think about the pre-order method? You think it's burnt, or?
I hate it, but I do it. It's not the way to go.
It's not the way to go.
Starting out, if you don't got too much,
Yeah.
do the shit. Just get a sample. But if you know you got some money, just get the load, and you know you fucking with it, just get the load in.
Here it is.
Come on.
Let's hear it. Rev it up. Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
We can just show them both.
Show them both. Oh, he started. No. Hey, brand new whip got no keys. Bro started that shit from the GTR.
We can show them both.
Supercharged. Hey, yo. How many whips do you have?
4 right now.
What's the other 2?
We got a track, GTR, I got a black truck right there, and then I got a regular van.
Oh,
Big ass,
man.
like, cargo van.
Oh, that's to push the packs.
Hell yeah, get the load off.
You use Shopify?
Yeah, I do.
Shout out Shopify. For those starting a brand, if y'all know what Shopify is, break down what Shopify is.
It's the best fucking site to use. It's just the best site to use when you just starting out with anything. It don't even gotta be a brand, just anything. It's the best. It's the best site to use for sure.
What was the initial first investment that you dropped on Shopify? Like, how much was it?
So I'm not really a drop-based brand. I keep my site up all the time. So when I just drop shit, it'd be like probably like 30K.
30K?
Like literally like 40K. Like they know they can get it tomorrow. Like so it'd be like 30, 40K. And that's it.
drop.
Like yeah.
How often do you drop?
Every 6 months.
How much are you putting in to get 30K?
Oh shit. Ooh. I can't say.
You can't say.
I can't say.
We can't give you all the numbers, but you just know how much he's making. So
For those who don't know me, my name's Vivek, and I actually run Superline Shopify. I help Vic with his store too, and I actually got my career started building Shopify stores for creators and brands. I've been using Shopify for 8 years, and I could tell you that it is hands down the best commerce platform to start and grow a business. From creating product listings to designing your website to shipping and fulfillment, Shopify has everything built in and makes it super easy to navigate and run your store. But we don't just use it online. At Superline, we use Shopify point of sale to power our retail store and even for pop-up events. Shopify makes it super easy to run an online store and physical retail from one system. Personally, Shopify has changed my life, and if I never opened up my first store 8 years ago, I would not be where I am today. If you're thinking about starting your own business, there's no better time to start than now. You guys could actually use our link in the description. It's shopify.com/Superline Network and get started using Shopify today.
this is Superline Cribs featuring Billionaire Boy. So we in here.
This is where inventory need to be stored, but it's low right now.
This is what happens when you scale right here.
It gets in and out same day.
Hey, what we got right here? What we got right here though?
We'll test the cyber squad.
So oh shit. Man's really got five whips.
Technically. Oh shit. There's about 2 more of these upstairs.
Oh, 2 more. Hey.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh shit, this shit nice.
The White Castle.
It's the White Castle.
Cool. Got them sectional shit.
Got the
Bean
picture.
bag. They want to see what you can do with the bean bag. Right now, go.
What be going on?
Right now, go.
Hey, you gotta hit one. You gotta hit one of them.
Come on, Vic.
I gotta hit it.
Come on, Vic. Hey. Come on.
Oh, Sam the man.
Yeah.
Nah, let me get the camera. Oh yeah. It get real in the studio. It get real in the studio.
It's like the bachelor pad for real. The official name is the White Castle.
Not the White House, the White Castle.
White walls, white marble.
Okay.
Got my boy in the cut streaming.
Shout out to the vlog. Shout out to the
Oh,
vlog.
it was good.
You be streaming?
Yeah.
What you playing? You nice at 2K?
I'm decent.
Shout the stream out. You know what shout the stream out?
It's Bond Sample VON
He locked in right now.
It's a lot of
Yeah,
stairs.
not for real.
Guest bedroom, nothing special.
Nothing special.
Cool. Yeah, TV.
The guest room.
Nothing crazy. It's Bill's bedroom.
Oh, Bill.
Same setup.
Same shit. It's simple.
Cool.
Hey,
It's the best part though. The closet.
closet?
And the restroom setup.
Okay. How much is it worth? What's the closet worth? What you think? Estimate.
Damn. These right here is them all Balenci hoodies. Ventmont.
Balenci man, bro. Let's start calling this man.
$700 like it's a lot of shit in here.
Lot of shit
This
in here.
is bad.
I already know like this half alone probably like more than 10.
Oh shit. About 20, boy.
20 boy.
I got 21 pair of Ricks. It's a lot.
If you had to guesstimate, ballpark it.
I could pull like, oh, there's a lot of shit. Like these alone, like, sheesh.
Bust down.
I can't even, damn. Probably like 150.
150?
150. I'll go
150,000 in the
150.
closet. What's your favorite piece?
This one. Yeah, for sure.
This one right here? What's this right here?
Balenci, of course.
Balenci.
292 out of 300. Yeah.
How much you pay for that piece?
About 1,600. Yeah, I think about 1,600.
1,600 for a hoodie.
And it's definitely not even the most expensive one.
For real?
Yeah.
What's the most expensive hoodie you paid for?
Ooh, the one out here. Yeah. $2,000 Ventmont hoodie.
Oh, word.
Nothing on it.
Nothing crazy, huh? Just bust
And a
down.
faded wash.
Speaking of bust down, you got any chains, any jewelry? You don't do the jewelry?
Yeah, I don't really do jewelry. I got my little shit on my face. That's enough.
All right, let's do this thing. I'll give you 10 seconds to go in your closet and put on a fit, but like get a fit together. 10 seconds. I'll give you 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. Now let's break down the fit. Where we go? What hoodie is it?
A Balenci.
Balenci again.
Balenciaga goddamn Valentine hoodie. Yeah, Valentine's Day special hoodie.
How much was for that?
1,500. 15.
1,500.
Balenciaga leather pants.
Leather pants.
That was 2,200. Balenciaga boots.
Hella cozy.
Cool fit. Yeah, this is the great wintertime fit. These was 1,700.
So whole fit, 5 racks in there.
Facts. So if you really want to just put this on the back of you, Goddamn chrome 10 bands. Yeah.
10 bands.
Yeah, just add that up.
Just add that up.
Cool
That-
fit.
that's the accessory to throw in
Yeah,
the
that's
fit.
a cool fit.
Cool 15K fit. It's okay. With the
Yeah,
money
cool.
counter in the corner just sitting there.
Yeah.
How often you be using that?
Probably like twice a week.
You just be counting up for fun? Counting money for fun. I'm already knowing. This is crazy. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Everything that's happened so far is just wild. It just keep getting wilder and wilder.
There's some more.
There's still more? But wait, there's more. Like,
Yeah,
let's go ahead. Show me around, bro. Show me around.
House tour.
Tour. Oh shit. How much does crib cost to live in?
I spend $4K a month. The cost of it is about like 800,000.
800,000? Oh, just to buy it, right?
Yeah, just to buy it.
You renting or you bought it?
I'm renting right now.
Renting right
Yeah.
now? You plan on buying it or nah?
I think I want to buy it.
You wanna buy
I
it? Just
really
this
wanna
specific
buy it.
one?
Yes, this one.
This is what it's about. This is inspiring people. Like, he started off with a heat press in his dad's basement. Now he trading keys for GTR. Hey, was there a time where you wanted to give up?
No.
No?
Nah.
Never a
I
time.
don't know why people say that. No.
Never had a doubt? Nah.
No.
Nah, for real. This view is crazy though. Like, you smoke?
Every now and then. Every now and then. I'll come up here, chill, smoke. Yeah.
It's the vibe for sure. It's just you that live here or just like?
Me and my boys,
Okay,
they
right.
staying here. Yeah.
Nah, for sure. This is the dream. It's your homeboys from back in Ohio?
Yup. When you see him on the Twitch, he my full-time assistant. Then my boy J Money just got done. We do all the content together.
Y'all just came up together for real.
Yeah, facts.
that's the realest
Like,
shit
the
ever.
one- I grew up with him, so it was literally like
Yeah.
my brother,
Yeah,
since
sure.
4th grade. And then J Money got down since middle school, so it's like a core group. Like we strong with the shit.
Right.
Just
Stay,
making
stay
sure.
down till you came up, for real. Hey, that's what it's about. If you got a friend group, keep them together. Solid friend group. You never know. One day, hey, one win, they all win. You know what I'm saying?
Facts,
That's what it's about, bro. For real. This shit crazy though. This shit wild.
Appreciate it.
For sure.